Hello everyone, I'm Anthony Bastiaanssen, your chair of the BC Real Estate Association for 2020. It's been 2.5 months and 3 home haircuts since the declaration of the world pandemic because of COVID-19. With the recent government announcement of Phase 2 of BC's Restart Plan, we can now see some light at the end of the tunnel. But to quote Provincial Health Officer Dr. Bonnie Henry, we're only at the end of the beginning. Being deemed as an essential service, many realtors have continued to conduct business since the public health emergency was declared. While we've continued to support our clients, we all know it's not been business as usual. From strict protocols around showing properties, the recommended discontinuation of open houses and a move to virtual platforms, the moratorium on tenant evictions during the state of emergency and its implications on real estate contracts, as well as all the additional forms and disclosures designed to help keep our clients safe and informed, realtors have needed to be on top of their game. As realtors, we are highly visible members of our communities and we have a leadership role to play. It's vital that we understand and adhere to Provincial Health Officer orders and directives and WorkSafe BC protocols, whether we're realtors or managing brokers. These guidelines include continuing to prioritize virtual interactions over in person, maintaining safe physical distancing, and staying home if we have any symptoms related to COVID-19. Here in BC, we've been fortunate to have lower transmission rates compared to other parts of Canada, thanks largely to our combined efforts to slow the spread through physical distancing. We've all made sacrifices that have helped us get here. Some British Columbians, like our frontline healthcare workers and the staff who've kept grocery stores stocked and open, have put their own health at risk to look after all of us. Because of this, we need to remain vigilant in these early days of Phase 2 and help ensure the transmission curve remains flat. This will be key to government health officials deciding it's safe to further ease restrictions in the weeks ahead. With this in mind, and based on guidance from our Public Health Officer and WorkSafe BC, the Real Estate Council and BCREA, as well as the province's 11 real estate boards, continue to recommend against holding public open houses. This is an evolving environment, and as soon as the Public Health Officer and WorkSafe BC indicate we can move forward, we will provide support to help realtors safely host public open houses again. BCREA and your local real estate board remain committed to supporting realtors in every way that we can. Much of our resources have pivoted to focus on meeting the needs of our members during this crisis. As your provincial professional association, BCREA took the lead in collaborating with the Real Estate Council of BC and the Office of the Superintendent of Real Estate to give WorkSafe BC the profession's perspective as they develop their safe return to work protocols. Thanks to these strong relationships, we were able to release an in-depth checklist to support managing brokers the same day that WorkSafe BC released their guidance. BCREA has also created extensive online resources covering everything from standard forms, considerations around contract clauses, accessing financial support, as well as market impacts and economic recovery. I encourage all of you to visit the BCREA website to take advantage of these tools today. Please know that all of us at BCREA are committed to supporting our members and seeing us all through this crisis and into the future. Together, we can help ensure a safe reopening of BC's economy and public confidence in our profession. Thank you.